So, what can we expect to recover from one of these iced tea makers? Just a single screw held on the bottom plate, so let's find out what's inside. Not much. Let's figure it out with Saul's here. Of course it can't be that easy. I can't tell how that top part's held in. And of course you rotate a little bit, and there it is, another screw. Does it come out now? Oh no! Ah! Oh, there's pipes connected to the bottom for the reservoir thing. That makes a lot of sense. Oh. Well. Makes a lot of sense, not a difficult problem. Can't I just press this and it'll open? Or I'll pop my arm. Quick, someone that knows, answer in the comments. How do I open this? Oh, that felt right. Well, it's looser. There we go. Wonderful. Come here, little bulb. I want to use you. Let's see. Hope there's no water in here. It'd be gross. Oh. Well, still got the plastic, but got the bulb anyway. Okay, well, a little bit of corroded metal. Good old, probably, xenon bulb, something like that. And a little mysterious part here, and that's probably about it. Oh, and there's... Okay, so it's got an element, probably a heater along here. So you can kind of see the ceramics. It's probably a ceramic heater through there. Just using straight voltage off the switch here, whatever's in the switch. There's that part for you, if anyone's interested. It's got a mark on it. Definitely something to keep around for parts. Let's see if we can get that little plastic thing out. And this will be good for the dumpster, I would assume, or something. Can I have the power cord? Is that... I might be better off just cutting it. There's all these kinks in it. I'll just cut it here. Use a good pair of wire snips, or if you're me, you don't have any, so let's just use this. Pink. There we go. Be useful. All that's left that I care is the little front panel junk. That's the best we can get to a user interface on it. Oop. Well, I have what I want. Oh man, that didn't work. Need a bigger trash can in here. Oh well. I'll make an update if I do anything exciting with those parts I ripped out. If not, enjoy. Oh yeah, that plastic thing. Oh, it's springy. Yay, and the indicator, I don't know. Part store time.